Hello again from Shohini. Welcome to another life chapter of mine. Few months ago, we became the proud parent of our darling puppy Moscow. Moscow is an English bulldog. She lives with us in Kolkata. She is now 6 months old. In today's blog, we will share a typical day of us with Moscow, our experience and the take care ways, and some tips and bits of keeping any bulldog. Here's Moscow's favorite friend, her Dada. Sleeping with Dada is her best comfort. Mama is someone Moscow really scared of but can't live a second without. Now let's go back to the days when she came to us. She was as little as 90 days when she came to us. English Bulldog is not common in Kolkata due to its high price, maintenance and weather factors. Despite that, it is very easy to keep an English Bully as a first pet. Moscow's day starts with a stroll, followed by an hour run and some playtime. While she plays, let's know some breed factors. English Bulldog is a man-made breed. Around late 17th century, English Bulldog got popular around the world. They are medium-sized, short-muzzled, hefty breed. They can weigh up to 20 to 25 kgs around. Well, now is the time for first meal of the day for Moscow. She loves to eat, and so any bulldog. They are actually meant for to be foodie, lazy and sleepy folks. One need to consult a good vet shop to know the proper diet for them. Link of the vet shop we consult is listed down below. Also, while buying any English Bully, don't forget to check the health quality you are getting. It is rare to find good breeders in Kolkata. Luckily, we got one, and here's that link down below as well. Oh yes, by now Moscow is done with her course 1 meal and it's the time for nap. Don't get puzzled with this snoring sound and the phantom look. It is very common with this breed, and this breed enjoys this sleepy time. Once she woke up, she needs a good cuddle and pamper from either Dada or Mama. Tickling in the belly area is what she enjoys most. She will scold you off if you are not doing it diligently. Moscow loves to travel with us in our car. We made this as her habit from very initial days. To enjoy a hassle-free ride with your dog, train her to pee or poop before you take her into the car. Moscow keeps on looking for Dada and Mama if we are not around. Moscow's favorite toy is Mama or Dada's chappal. Oh yes, you can't expect to keep your shoes in place if you are a dog parent. It is because of their teeth growth phase. It creates a sensation, especially for two canine, those two bigger teeth, which is why they tend to bite or chew things like chappal, neem stick or even your hand. It is a good practice not to give your hand all the time for them. Instead, you can make her use of neem stick, which is good for their gum health too. Meantime, she already had her other 3 meals and done for the day. Before sleep, she always chooses to pee in her washroom and get ready for bed. We sleep together in the same bed. This breed always loves to be in touch with their beloved ones. You need to invest your care and love, and trust me, you will be rewarded with world's most pure, selfless love and loads of lifetime moments to cherish on. It is as easy or complex as to raise your own baby. Time is what you have to dedicate on, at least till they are 1 year old. Some big no-no for them are: no to leave them alone for more than 2 to 3 hours, no to offer food you eat, avoid extreme heat or cold, always do clean their anal areas and their faces after any meal or they poop or pee. This is all what our day looks like. For more details on training, keeping your dog, diet and other caring ways of your bulldog, please let us know in the comment below. We will be happy to answer them at our best. We will also list down the average expenses you might have if you are planning to take any bulldog. Please do let us know your views, suggestions and your questions if you have in the comment below. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates regularly.